Welcome to Financial Charge with William, a place to learn how to supercharge your finances. Let's talk about Ripple, XRP, cryptocurrency. Should you invest? When I was searching for cryptocurrency in my other videos, I came across XRP. I wanted to know a little more about XRP, and I wanted to share it with you. In my findings, XRP seemed like it would be a good value in the future if Ripple was successful. So let's start with, what is XRP? What is Ripple? How is XRP used? What is the difference between XRP and Ripple? Why XRP can't be mined? I'm a miner. I can't mine it. Should you invest? The wrap up. Let's get started. What is Ripple? Ripple was once a company, a digital payment process system, and a cryptocurrency, also known as XRP. This is like Bitcoin, but Ripple blockchain system is quite different. And the currency is owned by one company, Ripple, whereas Bitcoin is mined. The base of Ripple is designed to make transactions quicker and more convenient for banks, popular cryptocurrency options for large financial institutions, while Ripple is often used to refer to XRP cryptocurrency. It is the company formerly known as Ripple Labs that holds most of the XRP. Ripple not only offers several payment systems, but owns approximately 60 billion XRP and holds about 55 billion of them in their own escrow account. They can upsell to 1 billion of these a month, though they rarely do. The Ripple blockchain system, RippleNet, offers businesses and financial institutions several programs that help cross-border payments. This includes xCurrency, a payment process system for banks. xRapid allows financial institutions to minimize liquidity costs while using XPR. xWrapped allows one financial institution to minimize the liquidity costs that using XRP as a bridge from one fiat currency to another. And XVia, which allows businesses to send payments via RippleNet. Ripple website boasts dozens of clients that use their blockchain system, from small banks to some of the largest in the country. American Express announced a partnership with Ripple in 2017 that allows for limited blockchain payments from US businesses to UK businesses. More than 300 financial institutions joined Ripple.net. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is a native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transaction in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly, making a convenient instrument for bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. How is XRP used? Faster, less costly, and more stable than other digital assets. XRP in the ledger XRP are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash newer utilities for XRP and transforming the global payments. Third parties are also pursuing their own XRP related to their uses. What is the difference between Ripple and XRP, people ask? What is it? Ripple is a privately owned company based in San Francisco in the US, with offices in New York, London, Sydney, India, Singapore. XRP is an independent virtual currency that acts as an underlying currency powering Ripple networks. The aim: Ripple seeks to develop and provide solutions for sending money with ease and low cost all over the world. XRP seeks to act as a bridge currency for facilitating cross-border payments between different fiat currencies. What's the relationship? Ripple uses XRP in its XRapid products to provide banks and other financial institutions with access to on-demand liquidity. Ripple does not in any way own or control the technology behind the digital currency XRP. XRP is an open source cryptocurrency that can be used by anyone, including Ripple. XRP is neither owned or controlled by any entity or person as it operates independently. The control. Ripple Labs are owned by the board, founders, and employers who helped start the company in 2012. Being a decentralized cryptocurrency, XRP is owned by anyone who uses XRP and the XRP ledger. The usage. Ripple develops and offers products that are used in financial industries, mostly banks. Anyone can use XRP for a variety of purposes. Examples like making payments. Developers can also build on the XRP ledger itself. Why XRP can't be mined? A handful of cryptocurrencies can't be mined in traditional sense. This includes Ripple. At the outset, 100 billion Ripple coins launched the currency. Ripple Labs, formerly OpenCoin, still holds about 60% of the currency in its ledger's escrows, like we talked about earlier. Ripple management can release up to 1 billion coins per month. But the expected release rate is much less than 1 billion coins upper limit, with the unused balance being rolled over into new escrows. Will not be released until the first month in which no escrow is scheduled for release. The supply of Ripple is not likely to open suddenly, flooding the market and crashing prices. Instead, it's an orderly increase in supply is expected. The question a lot of you guys have been waiting for: should you invest in XRP? There is no such thing as a completely safe investment. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile. Every potential investor should understand the risk is ongoing, and you should diversify your investments. Let's talk about the pros and cons of XRP. The good. The pros. Ripple has been in a crypto game long enough to have gained the trust of several prominent financial institutions. That trust makes them safer investment relatively to the other cryptocurrencies out there. All the XRP tokens that ever will exist have already been created. And Ripple distributes them according to their predetermined schedule. This means no inflation. As more financial institutions buy into Ripple and its products, the value of XRP could substantially increase. The bad or the con. Ripple's centralized system does away with permissions and is more open to censorship than other currency platforms. Since control rests in the hands of small numbers of people, those people could potentially block transactions like a regular bank. Ripple Labs has a monopoly of ownership on the XRP tokens. It is known for 60% of the supply. The code is open source, whereby it is freely available to the public. That is good for developers, but it could be a risk for anyone to hack. XRP's value and their market cap. XRP has a current value of 0.882 with a market cap of $3.24 billion. So you're looking to invest in Ripple or XRP wallet? Here's a couple for you. Crypto.com, Balance, Coinbase, Bitcoin IRA, Trezor. Check them out. The wrap-up. Ripple is one of the most successful payments exchange platforms that will give a big impact on financial transactions in the future. XRP is, on the other hand, is the underlying digital currency powering that network. XRP could see a value continue to ticker higher as more financial institutions use the Ripple network to facilitate cross-border transactions. Let's see what is about to happen. Thanks, and have a good one.